Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. What is BIDMAS, and how should it be applied? BIDMAS is the order of operations rule that ensures we all solve math problems consistently and get the same correct answer. Here's the breakdown of the acronym. B. Brackets. I. Indices. D. Division. M. Multiplication. A. Addition. S. Subtraction. When you have more than one operation in a calculation, BIDMAS helps you decide which operation to perform first. Example 1. 7 plus 5 times 2. We have two operations here, addition and multiplication. According to BIDMAS, multiplication comes before addition, so we multiply first, then add. 7 plus 5 times 2 equals 7 plus 10, multiplication first, equals 17, addition last. Many people might work left to right and calculate 7 plus 5 first, getting 12 times 2 is equal to 24, but that's incorrect. BIDMAS tells us the right order. Did you know that your calculators are programmed to use BIDMAS in their calculations? Try entering 7 plus 5 times 2 into your calculator. Did you get 17 and not 24? Perfect. Example 2. 6 squared plus 4 times 2. Using BIDMAS, we work through the operations in order. 6 squared plus 4 times 2 equals 36 plus 4 times 2, indices first, equals 36 plus 8, multiplication next, equals 44, addition last. Important note about equal priority. Division and multiplication have equal priority, as do addition and subtraction. When operations have equal priority, work from left to right. Example 3, equal priority. 12 divided by 3 times 2. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so we work left to right. 12 divided by 3 times 2 is equal to 4 times 2, division first, working left to right, equals 8. Not 12 divided by 6. This is not correct, as it equals 2. Not multiplication first, as we are working left to right because division and multiplication have equal priority. Example 4, multiple operations. 6 times 7 minus 10 times 3 plus 8. Let's identify the operations. Multiplication, subtraction, multiplication again and addition. According to BIDMAS, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. 6 times 7 minus 10 times 3 plus 8 equals 42 minus 30 plus 8. Do all multiplications first. Equals 12 plus 8, subtraction first, working left to right, as subtraction and addition have equal priority. Equals 20, addition last. Key point. Complete all operations of higher priority before moving to lower priority operations, even if they appear later in the calculation. This wraps up our topic on BIDMAS. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Learning Maths the Easy Way. See you in the next video.